loves, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you can tell by the title, it's going to be a eyeshadow tutorial on this look right here. In today's video, I'm going to be using the Beauty Bay Bright Mattes palette. This palette is basically like your typical rainbow eyeshadow palette. As far as these shades, this is pretty much like your perfect rainbow palette in my opinion. I do have a few opinions about this palette that I guess I can go ahead and state right now. This is not going to be a review or anything, but being that this palette has never been featured on my channel before, I can give you guys a little bit of insight on it. I will say that some of the shadows could just be a little bit more pigmented. I did have to go into my Be Perfect Love Tahiti palette for the orange shades. I have used this palette a couple of times on my Instagram, so if you guys are not following me on Instagram, I highly suggest that you do so, because I do a lot of makeup looks over on my Instagram page that don't make it to YouTube. So yeah, I've used a good range of these shades, so I can pretty much give you like a solid review, I guess, but at the same time, what I experienced today was just a little bit of lack in the pigment as far as the oranges. But yeah, as far as today, I did use quite a few shades so you guys can really see how this palette performs. So I know I did state in a couple of videos back that I would be containing swatches of palettes that are newly featured on my channel, but I'm gonna just be honest, you guys, these shades don't really swatch that well. They definitely perform way better than they swatch, so I won't be swatching these. This video is basically just going to consist of you seeing how the shadows perform like on the eyes, so I hope you guys don't mind. But yeah, I don't want to waste y'all time. I'm sure y'all want to see swatches that actually, you know, look decent and it's actually satisfying to the eye. These aren't, I'm gonna be honest, which is perfectly fine. You don't really go based off of a palette swatches, you go based off of how it performs on the eyes, and that's more important. So yeah, I hope you guys don't mind that. And I need to put out a disclaimer right now because I don't know what it is today, but I did one eye on camera, of course, and after I did the top portion of my eye, I went off of camera to do like the, you know, the other eye and then the rest of my face, but I totally forgot to come back on camera for the bottom portion of my eyes, so I can go ahead and tell you guys exactly what I did off of camera. So yeah, so for the lower lash line, I went into the Momo Mitchell and P. Louise base. This is the Acid Rain base in Blank Canvas. I love this base so much. This is what it looks like right here. So yeah, I went in with that for the lower lash line, and then I went ahead and took these two shades right here for the lower lash line, these two. And yeah, it honestly, you guys, this is my first time going in with a base for the lower lash line, and it is just such a game changer. Like, I don't know why it took me so long to do that, but yeah. So that's what I did for the lower lash line, and then I went into another Beauty Bay eyeshadow palette. This is the Wilderness palette, and I took this shade right here. It's really nice, like duochrome green metallic shade. And yeah, I put that in my inner corner. Hopefully you guys can see. And then I went in with this shade right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'll swatch the green one too. But yeah, they're probably not like the best swatches, but you can somewhat tell. Okay. And yeah, I went in with that with the highlight. But what I did ended up recording once I came back on camera is I did record me putting the jewels on the sides of my eyeshadow. So yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm sorry for like the lack of, I guess, content as far as, you know, my eyes. I only just showed one eye, which is pretty standard, but I did not show any of the lower lash line content, so I do apologize about that. My next video will be more in depth. It is going to be more on the neutral side, but it's still going to be real technical and creative, so I'm really excited for you guys to see that look. But yeah, so if you guys would like to see how I got this look, then just continue to watch. y'all.